Hello everyone. In this video, we will be comparing two popular air fryers from Chefman. We have the Chefman Digital Air Fryer and the Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart Air Fryer. These are two of Chefman's best-selling air fryers, and we will be evaluating them in different categories. Before we start, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. If you're looking for a more diverse cooking experience, then Chefman Digital Air Fryer is perfect for you. It offers different cooking settings such as baking, dehydrating, and roasting in addition to air frying, while the TurboFry only specializes in air frying. So, for versatility, Chefman Digital Air Fryer wins this category easily. The Chefman Digital Air Fryer has a capacity of 10 liters, while the Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart Air Fryer has 8 quarts capacity. If you have a big family, friends, or you just love hosting dinner parties, then the digital air fryer is perfect for you. It provides ample space for feeding large gatherings. In terms of capacity, the Chefman Digital Air Fryer is the winner. Both of these air fryers have a specialty for cooking healthier meals using little to no oil. However, the Chefman Digital Air Fryer reduced oil consumption by up to 98%, making it significantly healthier. It is the best option for those who prefer healthier cooking options. Therefore, in the healthy cooking category, the Chefman Digital Air Fryer outperforms the TurboFry Touch 8-quart Air Fryer. The Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart Air Fryer provides 4 one-touch cooking presets for quick and effortless cooking. The presets include French fries, chicken, meat, and fish. It also has an LED shake reminder to ensure that you achieve an evenly cooked meal. The digital air fryer doesn't offer as many presets. Hence, if cooking presets are crucial for you, the Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart Air Fryer should be your go-to. The Chefman Digital Air Fryer and the Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart Air Fryer have the prices of $119 United States dollars and $129 United States dollars respectively. Although the difference in price is not significant, the digital air fryer is the more affordable option. If you are on a budget, the Chefman Digital Air Fryer is the way to go. Therefore, in terms of price comparison, the Chefman Digital Air Fryer is the winner. So that's our comparison between the Chefman Digital Air Fryer and Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart Air Fryer. If versatility and healthier cooking options are your priorities, the Chefman Digital Air Fryer is the better pick. Nevertheless, if you are looking for a bigger capacity and more cooking presets, the Chefman TurboFry Touch 8-quart Air Fryer is your go-to. Let us know in the comments below which air fryer you prefer. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews on top tech products. Thank you for watching.